So, yeah, Squier Classic Vibe. Just got it today. Going through the box, Valatronics. No pedals, just a little bit of reverb, clean channel. Neck position. Mid position. Neck. Mid. Bridge. Tone works. Sorry, she's out of tune. Just unboxed her. Hadn't really stretched the strings or anything like that. So yeah, Squier Classic Vibe Telecaster. Strings are really high. Of course, out of the box, what do you expect? Setup required. So I'll be doing some work on that, and yeah, who knows where the future holds for the old Squier Classic Vibe Telecaster.